Hello, InstaFam. Welcome to AnHome Channel, your go-to spot for all things Instagram. Today, we're hitting a high note with a brand new feature that's music to our ears. Want to add some tunes to your Instagram notes? Stick around as we show you how to jazz up your messages with your favorite beats. Let's get into the rhythm. Step 1, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the app and tap on the message icon. Step 2, in the Notes section, tap your profile icon to create a new note. Step 3, write your note, then tap the music icon to bring up Instagram's music library. Step 4, search for a song or choose from the suggested list. Select the part of the song you want to share and tap Done. Step 5, now, you'll see your note paired with the chosen music snippet. Tap Share to post your musical note to your friends and followers, and voila! Your note is now live with a soundtrack that speaks your mood. Whether it's a throwback hit or the latest chart topper, your notes are sure to strike a chord. That's a wrap on today's tutorial. If you loved this tip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet Instagram hacks.